video.
Hi, Kat. This is your big Uncle Danny and your bigger Aunt Nene.
Hindi tignan mo naman Joe, ang kapatid mo. Sobrang
Okay,
taba.
we wish you a happy birthday. 18th.
Birthday.
I see you grow and still growing, Kaya diet.
Hi, Cha. Ana, Reggie. Ella.
Hello to your sisters.
Kamusta na? Bihira kami makapagpadala ng card. Busy kami, busy sa bahay. Kasi kararating ko lang kasi galing ng tindahan.
Update na lang ka na lang sa Friendster ni Nicole para makita mo yung mga latest itsura namin. So far, ito yung pinaka. So, again, we wish you a very happy birthday.
Bye!
And we wish more birthdays to come. Love you, Kat.
I love you!